This is my half-scale Burrell gold medal tractor, to which I just fitted the R.A. Barker high pressure injector. So we're blowing off now 200 psi. Here's the injector. So we'll turn the water on. And the steam. Little tickle on the water valve, and the injector is working as dry as a bone. It's starting to drag the pressure down steadily. And if we go around to the clack valve, I can now keep my hand for a reasonable length of time on the clack valve, which proves there's some water going through it. Little bit of a dribble, but nothing to write home about. You know, I just adjust the water a little bit. Now stopped dribbling, and it's dragged the pressure right down now to 150, and the water level's gone right up. So I would say myself, turn the steam off, turn the water off. Well, I apologise for the quality of the video as I'm holding the camera and working the controls at the same time. But I would say the R.A. Barker high pressure injector is absolutely first class, a success.